Disassemble the original battery of the vehicle and analyze it. Disconnect the battery module from the acquisition card and the wiring harness connector and separate the battery pack from the shell. The first step is to open 4 fitting metal boxes separately and take out the batteries and other parts. Place the battery modules in the order of 1 to 14 and use them as standby applications. First of all, disassemble original battery modules. Wind 4 fixation apparatuses with insulation tape to ensure insulation of modules and fixation apparatuses. Install the number 1 module on the fixation apparatus and install the temperature probe. Sequentially mount the remaining number 2 to 14 modules in order. Preload and fix the positioning splint screws. Install the vehicle's original battery temperature probe on fixed clip rings with the number 01/07/14 and fixed wiring harness on number 4 and number 10 modules. Put the diameter 10 flat mat on the 4 fixed screws of the original battery pack shell. Put the assembled battery pack into battery pack support, preload, and fix it with the nut. Fix both sides of the battery module with the battery pack shell by using screws. Install the series bronze between the battery modules.